Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to print and assemble a PDF sewing pattern. For this video I'm printing my pattern, the Meg blouse. I will link the pattern in the description below. Check the instructions to find more information on how to print your pattern. For the Meg blouse you can choose between two options. You can print at the copy shop using the A0 and A1 format, or you can print at home using the A4 file. Use the same file to print in US letter format. This pattern is layered, which means you can print only the size you want. You will need to open the PDF using the Acrobat Reader to be able to see the layers. You can click on the link on the instructions PDF or check the link in the description down below. You can download it for free. Open the A4 Print at Home PDF and find the layers icon. Here you can see all the layers and choose which one you want to print by selecting and deselecting the icon. Check the size chart to choose your size. If you fall between sizes, you can print two or more sizes at once. The bias binding is optional, so you can choose if you want to print it or not. Always leave the pattern info and the page info layers on because they have all the information you need to stick the page together. Let's print. You need to check a few things on your printer before you can print the PDF. You can either choose the actual size or a custom scale of 100%. This is very important, so never scale the pattern up or down. You can print the PDF in colors or black and white. I like to print only the first page to make sure everything is looking good and then print the rest. On the first page, you have all the info you need. You have the size key, the size chart in centimeters and in inches, all the pattern piece and the print layout. Follow the numbers and the diamond shapes to stick the page together. You can choose to print the blouse plus the short sleeve and the long sleeve only. Don't forget to check the test square. It will be 7 cm by 7 cm or 2 inches by 2 inches. This is what ensures that your pattern is correct and you can print the other pages. I will print from page 2 to page 15. Don't forget to keep the same setting you used to print the first page. Follow the print layout to know where to place the pages. You will need scissors and stick tape. I prefer to separate by rows. I will start from the first row, that's page 1 to 5. You don't need to stick the first page to anything. This page has info to help you with this project. Place the diamond shapes together to match the pattern pieces. You can see there is a gap between the pages, so you need to cut the edges of the paper to match the diamonds. You don't need to cut all the edges of the paper. I usually only cut the right side of the pages that have diamonds. If you prefer, you can fold the paper instead of cutting it. For this video, I'm going to cut the edges. Now you just need to overlap the pages and use a stick tape to hold them together. Where you can see empty space, you don't need to tape the pages together. You can see the diamond shapes on this side of the pages, so I will cut the edges and later overlap them with the other row of pages. Follow the same steps for the second row of pages. page doesn't have a diamond shape, it means you don't need to tape them together. Now you can tape the first row of pages to the second row of pages. I'm just going to move these to the side to have more space. I will follow the same steps to tape together the third row of pages. Now I'm going to finish to tape all the pages together. It's ready. You have all the pattern pieces to make your Meg blouse. Cut the pattern pieces. This pattern has a 1 cm seam allowance. Just pay attention to the hem as it is different. You can use the QR code to go straight to the sewing tutorial on how to sew this blouse. Don't forget to tag me if you make the Meg blouse or any of my sewing patterns. Now you can use the paper pattern to cut your beautiful fabric and sew it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you next time!